and Namaste. Welcome to my channel Meghna Shrivastava Yoga Girl. I am Meghna. So in this video, I am going to show you how to do self-massage. Self-massaging technique has been with us since ancient times. People follow this technique for relaxation or in the treatment of pain and injuries. There are many different massaging techniques, but this one is really simple and effective. Talking about the benefits, when you will follow this routine, it will build up good health, aid in relaxation, relieve stress and anxiety, and will leave you vibrant and well. And also it will increase your self-awareness. So in this first massaging series, I am going to cover head, face and neck. One more thing, I already took this particular session for my clients. Right here you can see some of the feedbacks. They loved it. So I hope कि आपको भी अच्छा लगे. So without wasting your time, let's get in the video. Okay, so I washed my face and there is nothing on my face right now. It's clean. I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm just to moisturize my lips. Apart from it, there is nothing. Okay, first step. I'm using this Divya Dhara roll-on from Patanjali. He must be knowing it is beneficial for headache, but my purpose is something different. I use whenever I do pranayama. Let me show you how. Okay, so just apply a little bit of it just under your nose on both the sides and at the back of your head, right here, on both sides. And that's it, leave it like this. Now when you inhale and exhale, oh my god, you will feel amazing. मतलब आपका half stress तो वहीं निकल जाता है. So trust me on this and buy this little thing. It is only for 30 rupees and you will get in any Patanjali store. So this is your first step, just do it. After that, we are going to do a minute of breathing, just simple inhaling and exhaling, okay? So just inhale and exhale. Now just take a deep breath in again. And roll your shoulders back, open your chest, exhale through your mouth. Take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders back and exhale. Repeat this for a few seconds. Last time, just take a deep breath in, roll your shoulders back, open your chest. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth and open your eyes. Okay. So, now we'll start with our head. Okay, so what you have to do, just simply use the tip of your finger and apply pressure in your scalp and start massaging. Massage in a very gentle way in a circular motion and continue this for a few seconds. Massage in a circular motion and cover the back side of your head as well. Okay, so for massage, I am using this cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. Always go for good quality of oil. Okay, जैसे मैंने already थोड़ा सा warm कर चुका है. Now we will start our oil massaging. Apply a little bit of oil on your palm, rub and spread all over your face. In the first step, we are going to use thumb and index finger. Place your thumb and index finger against the bony area surrounding your eyes by the bridge of your nose. Now apply a little pressure and move your thumb and index finger slightly outward direction following the line of your eyebrow. Inhale, apply the pressure and exhale as you release. Repeat this for 6 to 10 counts. In your next step, press slightly with your middle finger underneath your eye and move slowly to the side of your head. Inhale, press gently and exhale as you release. Repeat this for 6 to 10 counts and concentrate on your breathing. This step will help you to release tiredness and tension around the eyes. Now apply a little oil to your palm and then place your fingertip in a line on the middle of your forehead. Inhale, apply a very light pressure and move your fingertip toward the side of your head and release while exhaling. Cover your entire forehead and keep massaging. Continue this for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Keep your middle and index finger to the side of your head and thumb resting to support your chin. Continue massaging gently in a circular motion. This will release tension in your forehead and relax your eye muscles. Starting from the side of your nose, press gently with your index and middle finger and slide it to the outer corner of the eyebrow. Inhale, press gently and exhale as you release. Repeat this for at least 20 to 30 seconds. In this step, we are going to apply pressure on the acupoint. Point is at the back of your head between the bottom of the skull and large muscle of the neck. To massage, first you apply a little bit of oil there. Place your forefinger on the back of your head and press into the point on each side of the neck with your thumb. And move your fingers in a circular motion. Breathe in when you apply pressure and breathe out as you release. This step will release tension at the back of your head and neck and also ease headache. Now we will massage on the acupoint of the ear. First point is at the top of the ear, second middle point of the ear, and third is in the front of the ear lobe. All you have to do is inhale, press, exhale, release. Pressing the point at the top of the ear will help you to relieve toothache. So press, inhale, exhale, release. Do this for 8 to 10 counts. Pressing the middle point of the ear will help you to maintain good hearing. And pressing the third point in front of your earlobe will help releasing tension in the jaw. Now, use your middle finger and press gently under your eye on the ridge of the bony cavity. This acupoint is for the stomach. This will improve your eyesight and balance digestion. Inhale, press, exhale, release. Do this for at least 10 to 15 counts. Next, using the nail of your index finger, press lightly just below the nose on the acupoint. This particular point will improve your concentration and ease pain in your lower back. Inhale, press, exhale, release. Follow the proper breathing technique. And do this for 8 to 10 counts. Here, use your index finger and thumb. Start from the center of your chin and slide it in outward direction following your jawline. This will improve the blood circulation, relieve stress and aid in relaxation. Inhale, press, exhale, slide. Repeat this for 10 to 15 counts. Now, using your thumb and index finger, slightly squeeze the bridge of your nose. Inhale, press and slide it down. Exhale as you release. The same way you can work on the opposite direction. Do this for 15 to 20 counts. This step is helpful in nasal congestion. With your gentle hand, start massaging your neck in an upward direction. Now turn your head slightly to your right side. Use your left hand forefingers and massage from the top of your muscles down to the bottom. Inhale, start massaging from the top and exhale as you go down. This particular step will release neck tension and ease sore throat. Do this for 15 to 20 counts and repeat on the other side as well.
coming to the back of your neck, curl your fingers inward and start pressing from the center and slide it down towards the shoulder blades. This will release tension in the back of the neck and increase blood circulation to your head. Do this for 10 to 15 counts. Now for the deep massaging, use your index finger and thumb and start pinching the neckline. This feels really good. Do this for at least 15 to 20 counts. To relax your shoulders, start rotating your shoulder in a clockwise direction. Now keep your left palm at the right side of your head. Slightly bend your head towards your left side and touch your ear to the shoulders. Hold for 5 breaths and repeat on the other side. Now rub your palms together and give the warmth to your eyes and to your face.
Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the session with me. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press that bell icon so whenever I post a new video, you will get the notification. So for now, bye, take care, stay